Welcome back.
I hit the 25k milestone. Well, it's at 26k now, but woo! Hey, we're a quarter of the way to the play button, baby. That's all I want, really. I just want that play button right back down on the wall over there. You get the first one at 100k, so let's make it there. Let's do it. So if you didn't know, I'm one of the developers working on Dwerve. It's a tower defense dungeon crawler. If you remember, I did a t-shirt competition, and these were some of the submissions. This one looks like Dwerve is smelling a fart. I don't know what's going on. To celebrate the 25k milestone, I'm gonna give Dwerve Alpha access to 25 winners, and 10 people are gonna get a Dwerve shirt. How this thing works is basically it's like a raffle, and the more things you do on this list, the more entries you get. The link's in the description. You know, I really hope that you are a winner. The giveaway ends at the end of May 24th, so hopefully you're seeing the video before then. If you're a subscriber, thank you. I hope this is kind of a nice way for me to do something for you. By the way, Panic Pop is my clothing line. I'll see you guys next week. Dev life.